How to delete comment history on TikTok. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your TikTok. After that, make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, in the right lower corner, you can see the profile like icon. Simply tap on that. So you have to tap on the 3.8 vertical line which is in the right upper corner. After that, you have to go through settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, you can see comment and watch history options. Tap on that. Since we are looking for comment history, you have to tap on comment history option over here. So here you can see the comments that you have done in someone's video. So in order to do that, you have to simply tap on the comment which you want to delete. After doing that, it will directly take you to the video, and from here you can delete the comment. In order to delete, you have to tap and hold the comment and select on delete option. And after doing that, your comment will be deleted. You can apply this process to all the comment that you want to delete. So by following this simple step, you can delete comment history on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.